Congratulations on your purchase of our disinfecting spray bottle by the Best Hydrogen Water. You're absolutely gonna love it. So today I'm gonna go through the instructions on how to use this and how to maintain it for proper use. Okay, so step number one, take everything out of your box. You're gonna see that you have the disinfecting spray bottle, you have a funnel, you're gonna have a charging port, and you're also gonna have a teaspoon, and this is for making the hypochlorite, which we'll talk about. So what I've done for you is I've already charged it. So once you get it, take it out of its box and go ahead and charge it overnight. Okay, once it's charged, fill it up with water, filtered water preferably. Fill it up, but not too much. So you want to come down just a little bit here. So to make the first water, which is hypochlorous acid, all you have to do is simply push the button. It's going to run for 5 minutes. Now you're making water that disinfects and destroys all bacteria and germs, 99.9%. And it's great for skin issues. So you're gonna use this water for skin issues like acne, eczema, psoriasis, blisters, burns, anything topically on your skin. So the next step here is if you wanted to make it more strength, which is 80 times stronger than bleach, and has 78 studies from the EPA's website on the COVID-19 and how powerful it is, all you're gonna do is, I'll go ahead and turn it off for us here, is you're gonna take your container here, your teaspoon, and you're gonna add salt. Just regular table salt's just fine. And you're gonna put it in just like so. Put that cap back on. And the same exact process here that we just did for the last one, push the button, and now you're making the hypochlorite. So go ahead and use this both ways, hypochlorous or hypochlorite. You're gonna absolutely love it. To care for it and maintain it, do your best to keep water in it at all times because you don't want those electrodes to dry out. And if you want, you can go ahead and wash this by hand, but do not put this in the dishwasher or get this wet. So that's gonna how you'll properly maintain and store your unit, and congratulations again on the disinfecting spray bottle.